today I'll be showing you how to make a jump scare in Roblox Studio. All of this stuff will be in the description, download. So let's showcase you the jump scare. Yeah, pretty scary, right? Now to the tutorial. Alright, now how to do this is very simple. You won't have the script. It's all done. I've all done it. All you gotta do is either search simple jump scare, and it will be the one by chicken. You'll see it, this one, or this one I'll send. You can go to my profile, check my creations, and see my model, simple jump scare. You can just click on it and just get it, and then from here, let's say you got it. So what do you do next? First, you want to open up the model and scroll down till you see trigger. What you want to do is bring it to the workplace so it's not connected to the mask model anymore. That's a big thing, because if you still leave it in there, it's gonna be not working too well. This is the trigger. So if you touch this, it will cause a jump scare. Let's make a hallway. I know that's kind of weird, but it should be alright. Anchor it. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this so it's easier to for you guys to see the jump scare and work. Okay, from now, what you're gonna do is go to the trigger and then mask move. See, this is the positions where you want him to be. This is the positions he will teleport to as a pop-up jump scare, technically. So what you want to test is where do you want to put him as a jump scare. So if you want to put him here, which I will, so let's say right here, I want him to appear here as a jump scare. What I will do is go to open him up, go to his lower torso, get the position, make sure it's not origin position, copy and paste. You can do copy, but for me I do Control C, and then for the script you want to move it, select this, delete the old one and paste the new one. And then let's say you want him back, then you put him back to originally where he was, and you get that position and then put it on the second one, and there it should be ready to go. We can test this to see. Okay, so if I cross this, he should appear like a jump scare. Yep, it works. He's back at the spot, and that's how the jump scare works. Let's say you're making a horror game, you're walking through this hallway, then you walk past, and then a jump scare. And that's about it, guys. Also, as a reminder, do not touch the sound or the script. You just change these two, this one and this one, this is you can change the sound. You can go to the sound ID and change it to like your own. For me, I've just chosen that one just for the video. And what you can do for this so you can't see it is change the transparency to 1 so you don't see it. So you just walk past it and you'll see the jump scare. Yeah, that's about it. I'll show you again one last time. And just to say, this is just a one-time jump scare unless you can manage to change it a little bit and make it like repeat, but for this video this is just a one-time jump scare. I will go back. See, it is only a one-time jump scare. Thanks for watching.